a Baylor candidate number 1. I'm I'm from Hermosa, living there for 3 years now, but I live in Orani 33 years ago. I'm 35. I'm living alone, nearby my family. I live in Australia 2 years, fly in, fly out, Philippines, Australia, then Japan, 3 years, same as that. Then I opened up to my mom when I was 17 that I am a trans. Then I take hormones when I was 21 years old. Then I have my surgery booked when I was 22 years old. Then I have my final surgery, my pussy transplant dream at the age of 33. Now I'm 35, and I think I dream come true that I am surgery now. Thank you.
Good evening, people of Bataan. I am Patricia Alice, and I am all the way last from the municipality of Mariveles. I am 21 years old. I didn't finish any degree, but I'm proud to say that I am a breadwinner of my adopted family. Yes, I am an adopted child, and I am standing here tonight with connection of the story of my life and advocacy, a home for the golden age. I think that this platform would be a really good example for me to be able to share the story of my life and inspire lots of people. And as a Queen of Valor, I'd like to stand with courage and pride until I conquer the crown. Thank you.
A pleasant evening, people of the land. My name is Jean-Marie Sabalaquero, and I came all the way from the humble municipality of Morong, province of Bataan. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Nursing at Olongapo Garden College, and I am a former OFW or Overseas Filipino worker in Saitama, Japan. And I am right now a proud TikTok affiliate and learning how to be happy and embracing my uniqueness to be your very first Queen of Baylor 2026. Nakalpo, salamat.
Good evening. I am Carla Marie Ramirez, all the way from Orion. And I'm 24, fresh graduated a Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in crop science. And I'm proud, first ever international immersion in BPSU in Taiwan. Thank you so much.
Happy 127 Independence Day, mga kapwa ko Pilipino. Unang-una sa lahat, mabuhay tayo mga Pilipino, mabuhay ang Pilipinas. People of Bataan, I am Jerome Almazan Sanchez. You can call me Jet. I am 23 years old. I'm a proud graduate with a bachelor's degree in communication, major in convergent media track from Far Eastern University, Manila. I am a mental health advocate. I am a previous Deputy Director General of FEU Peers under Guidance and Counseling Office of FEU, and in that way paved the way to be the first ever psychological first aider batch of our school year. I'm a former environmentalist. We are the pioneer of Communication Student Union for Nature, and also I'm a campus journalist. I am a sports writer when I was in college. And right now, I am a content creator, I'm affiliate marketing, and I made a history to be the first ever transgender woman courtside reporter of CNEG Liga Asia. And this is a testament that we trans can actually dominate male-dominated workplace, and we trans here in Bataan can show the whole country what we have to offer. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the show.
Mabuhay! This is Dushane Castillo, your Queen of Valor, candidate number 6. I am honored and proud to be the first Muchana Meki ng Pilar 2016 and your Miss Fabulosa 2024. Beyond pageantry, I am also a professional makeup artist. I started working at the age of 16, and with that, I stepped in to become a breadwinner of my family. And now that I'm competing with Queen of Valor 2026, I am very proud to represent the humble municipality, the crime-free Pilar. Thank you so much.
Mabuhay, I am Sonia Sombilia, 31 years old, your Queen of Valor, candidate number 7. A brief background with regards to my family, education, and my working experiences. I have 8 siblings, and I am third to the youngest of the 9 children. And I graduated college, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, and I also obtained my master's degree at Bataan Peninsula State University. I passed the Civil Service Examination professional level, and I also passed the bookkeeping examination offered by the Philippine Institute of Certified Accounting Technologies in Manila. I worked at Pag-ibig Fund for 10 years, but I transitioned into academia as a college instructor for 1 semester. Thank you.
Hello everyone. If you don't know me, I am Erich Arcubalisi, originally from Dinalapihan, Bataan. But when I was in grade 3, lumipat kami sa Orani for youth. And now, I'm on my 1-year transition, yes. And I want to explore the trans community and also this kind of pageant to push my limit. And as a woman of courage in front of you, I want to push myself to be better version of myself. And if you don't know me, I am an influencer. I have 300,000 followers on Facebook, and this is my 3rd time, I think, joining this pageant, and I want to give my best for Bataan. Thank you.
Once again, mabuhay Bataan. This is Ken Guadamore, your Queen of Valor, candidate number 9. I hold a cum laude degree in Mass Communication, major in Broadcasting, from the University of Mindanao in Davao City. I was born in Japan, but then again, my soul and my heart were entirely raised here in Bataan. Today, I am a virtual assistant, a choreographer, a freelance host, a mentor, and a dancer. My journey across the Philippines and across Asia has taught me different cultures and realities, but it is my love for dance and performing arts that defines my purpose. I believe that dance strengthens our mental health, nurture our individualities in order for us to be relentless and determined in chasing our dreams. Once again, I am your Chinita Princess, Ken Guadamore, and it is my utmost pride to represent my beloved municipality. Ang bayan po na patuloy na aangat at aasenso, ang bayan ng mapagmahal at ng lahing marangal. Samal!
Mabuhay! This is Queen Asham Santos, 32, your Queen of Valor, candidate number 10, dignified and honored to represent Municipality of Orani. I am a licensed professional teacher, a college instructor at the Bataan Peninsula State University, an events host and coordinator who believes that every stage is an opportunity to inspire and connect with people. I stand here tonight before all of you beautiful people, not only as a candidate, but a proud voice of the LGBTQIA+ community, carrying the courage, authenticity, and resilience in every step that I take. I aspire to be your first ever Queen of Valor, Pride of Bataan, and showing in my own little ways what it truly means to be a queen deserving of the crown. Like the spirit of the Shrine of Valor in the province of Bataan, I choose to lead with purpose, heroism, and compassion. Touching lives through actions and empowering others through representation. And becoming a symbol of hope and pride for our rainbow community. Because for me, a true queen is not measured by beauty alone, but by the lives she inspires and the legacy she leaves behind. Thank you and have a good evening.
Good evening, people of Bataan. This is Rian Evangelista, your Queen of Valor 2026. I still pursuing my college degree at Bataan Peninsula State University, taking a Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. I am from the home of world-class city of Balanga, province of Bataan. I know that I am the youngest here candidate in Queen of Valor 2026, but I know to myself that I can do it. Also, I am a breadwinner of my family, and with my loving and supporting mother here. Say hi, Mother Gigi Jaime. And I know to myself that I can do it. Thank you so much.
Mabuhay, I am Miss Angel Scarlett Ringo. I am your Queen of Valor candidate number 12, and I am from the Transshipment Hub of Asia and the Freeport area of Bataan, the municipality of Mariveles. I graduated Hospitality and Restaurant Services at Systems Technological Institute here in Balanga City. I am working as a head coordinator of Dreams Come True events and management. And also, I am a professional hairstylist here in Bataan. And also, I love watching crime scene documentaries. And also, right now, I am into physical fitness. I went walking, jogging, and also I joined marathons. People of Bataan, let's free ourselves in discrimination. Maligayang kaarawan ng paglalang.